Good evening everybody, my name is Jephcott. I'm the Business Development Director of Olivia Business Centre in Gdansk. So Olivia Business Centre is the destination location. It's a size and scale and a vision which is above anything else in the region, and in my opinion, indeed in Poland. We have now 140,000 square metres of standing asset, with another 140,000 to develop. It's a fantastic project. I myself am very, very proud to be involved with it. It has some great residents. We have companies like Amazon, like ThyssenKrupp, like Bayer, like Hayes, like Randstad, like Arrow, like Ricoh. And we've developed this project year by year. We've delivered one building per year for the last 7 years. Of course, Europa Property, Craig and the team are great friends. It's been a pleasure to work with them for the last 5 years. It's always a pleasure to come down to Warsaw and to be involved in this great event, really, bringing people together from all over the industry, from different sectors. It's a great honour to be a jury member. At least somebody thinks that I know what I'm talking about, so that's quite nice. And it's just great to see everybody here. The industry comes together, we have a night together, and we share in each other's successes. We make new contacts, we make new business, and that's what it's about. It's really nice to be here. Thank you for having me. And of course, you know, it's 2018, the market's going the right way as far as I understand, so 2019 I'll be here also. I hope you'll join me. Thank you very much.